So today I got my 2 packages, Alexandria fragrances, and this is gonna be an unboxing video, alright? I've been waiting 2 weeks for these packages. I know that they're finally here. I think it's time to dive into it. Drum roll, please. Fuck it. Let me get my... Woo. Woo. Damn. Whew. I think this is my Instagram win. And the one I chose on Instagram was Interplay. And this was said to be inspired by MFK. I think Barack 5, something like that. Barack 540. I'm oblivious to that fragrance. It is Interplay. This is the first one I've unboxed. As a matter of fact, the first one for 2018. Look at it. And this one is said to be a woody, fresh, spicy, warm, spicy, aromatic fragrance. I'm not gonna spray them. I'm just doing an unboxing. I'm not gonna spray and do any review on these fragrances right now. But I'll try them later on today. Now for the big boy. One, two, and samples. Alright, let's pull this one first. Let's see what we got here. One of my favorite, Sweet Smoke. This is one of my favorite. I got a sample of this one. I think it was late last year when I got the 007. And this one is superb. I couldn't help but getting a bottle for myself. Whew. Oh shit. Look what it is. The Godfather. Shit. I think I got butterflies in my tummy. And this one, let's see which one is this. Hold on. Woo! This one is Old Story. I think there should be a, if memory serves me correctly, I'm gonna check and see which one should be there as well. But I've been waiting on New Year's Eve, in which that's coming sometime next week. But the samples now. Let's see what these samples are. Ooh. Whee. Oh shit. These things are wrapped tightly. Okay, let's get straight into it. I got 4 samples, and these 4 samples are, I got Interplay again. I think I'm going to give away this one. I have Cocoa Dreams, one that I've always wanted to try. I've got, oh shit, Christmas Eve. And the last one is, oh, you got to be kidding me. Oh shit. Fucking fabulous. And I think the name he has for it now is Fantastic. I'm definitely gonna do a review on this one, alright? Whew. So I'll be giving these stuff a try sometime later today. And then between this week and next week, I'll probably do a review on at least 3 of these fragrances, alright? Peace, I'm out.